Welcome to this tutorial on Cryon 6D. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to create a new main project in the project management system. To begin, click the Add Projects button in the top right corner to start creating a new project. Now, let's fill out the required fields step by step. First, toggle the With Project ISO button on to follow the ISO 19650 standard. Next, in the Project Templates dropdown, you can select between Design and Document. Pick whichever template suits your project. Enter the project code, ensuring it follows ISO 19650 standards. Enter the project name to easily identify your project. In the description box, add details or a summary about the project. Use the Start Date field and select the project start date from the calendar. Design Type dropdown, select the type of design your project will focus on. In the Category dropdown, choose the appropriate category for your project. Next, in the Owners dropdown, you can assign an owner from the list of users. Choose the project status, like Open, In Progress, or Close, to reflect the current phase of the project. Now, enter the project's address details, including address line 1, address line 2, city, state, postal codes, and countries. Once all the fields are filled, click the Create button at the bottom to finalize the creation of your project. Now that the project has been created, let's explore how to manage it. You can change the project status by clicking the Status field, selecting the new status, and confirming your changes. Next, let's assign roles to users for this project. Click the Add Assign Role button to open a pop-up. From here, select a role from the Role dropdown and assign users using the Add User field. You can edit, clone, or delete a project using the Action menu. Finally, let's explore some additional features available in the Options dropdown. These options allow you to download templates, upload Excel files for bulk project creation, and import MSP files for advanced project planning. You can also filter and group projects by different fields. By dragging a column header, such as category, you can group your project list accordingly for better organization. That's it! You now know how to create a new project, assign roles, manage project details, and use advanced features to enhance your project management experience. Thanks for watching.